from the right. Keep an eye on right.
Spread out. Come on. Let's move a little bit.
This is why I'm shifting right rear.
Right back. 100 yards. Right there in front of you! Yeah, we need a medic over here. And we need to take a few people to secure that line right there. We need to secure this line on this side right here. Spread out a little bit. Yes, guys. ¿Cuál es yo?
Listen up. Hey, we need to get in this building. Okay, walk up. Go. Let's go. Come on. Who's in there?
You come right back, checking the outpost, and you come right behind us.
Copy that.
Thank you. Is it green?
Not yet! Hey, let's try to take the pig! Let's try to take the pig!
Big building back! Take out that big building! Big building!
Take the pig! Big building! Hey, you got two guys right here, 12 o'clock. Hey, come this way. Hey, come this way. Yo! Push up! Push up! Guys, over here! Get up! What are we looking like? What's the pink building got? Medic! Back it up.
No, right here. Get him.
Yep.
Go.
Hold on.
Ready?
Not yet.
Wait. 3. Go. Oh, hey. Yo. Hey. Oh, it be your own team, right?
You look epic.
Hey, I'm on your team. Oh, good, bro. Tino, let us get a chance. Hey, we got this building. Yo, you can move up. We got this building. Hey, you ready or what, lads?
Good set.
I was at the last Stryker event.
No, it's event. Every event you gotta do a waypoint.
Okay. Yeah, was it on the website?
Yep, StrykerAirsoftIndustries.com, and then you're gonna do the drop down in the top right, go to events, all the way at the bottom.
All right, I'm excited to have you guys all out here. We got a great command card, we got a great staff here today. We're going to put on a fantastic game for you guys. I appreciate you guys being out here. I appreciate you being somewhat on time to formation. I know that's one of the struggles of Airsoft, but truly, Mini Milsim is a place for all the new players who've never been to a Milsim to get their teeth cut on something that's a little bit easier than the big games, but something that's going to get them ready. By raise of hand, who here is here for their first Airsoft event ever? Damn, there it is, everybody. Let's give those people a round of applause. So those are the people that you're going to want to watch today. Make sure they're having a good time. Make sure if they don't know what's going on, you help them out, because this is how we keep the sport going, guys. You get these new players to come to Mini Milsim, then suddenly they're at Serious Viking in December, and that's exactly what we want. That's how the sport grows. Before we continue on to the safety brief, I'm going to have the field manager, Desi, come up and say a few words about his field and about his attitude towards the sport.
Hey, what's up, y'all? First off, thank you guys for coming out and supporting this event. You're gonna love it. One of the biggest things that we have promoted at this facility since I've been here for 9 years now: honor, integrity, and ferocity. Major thank you to Matt with Stryker out here putting together this event. You guys are a part of Outdoor Xtreme history. We have never hosted a Milsim Airsoft scenario before. We've never done this. You guys get to be a part of something incredible, and that from this point on, we're going to carry this on. There's only going to be more Airsoft events out here taking place. And thank you guys for being the first ones to break the ice out here. Give it up for them, guys. Those of you guys who have been a part of events and production before, you are well aware of the kind of work and effort it goes into. I am so pleased.
I'm shifting my guy to the right. Hold that.
Hey, lads, should we move that objective? Where'd that objective go? I just saw it. Guys, move up! Oh, yo! Hey, you need an engineer? Yeah. Go with that front. That front's on the corner. We need an engineer. Go. Where's the objective? It's right there, tied to a tree. Right after this little barrel, it's tied to a tree. Let us cover you. Very good. Hey, I'm gonna grab that objective. You can't grab it. It's tied to a tree. You're gonna have to do some engineer shit with it. What do we gotta do to it? Hey, I'm an engineer, right? Yeah.
What's plan? Are we sitting in here? We keep moving. Reapers are starting to steer through.
No way.
Got a killing sniper on the right.
Moving up.
Don't get fucking hit, bro. Don't get hit.
I'm dead, bro. What's the bleed out? I'm dead.
Go back.
Whatever you do, don't get fucking caught.
Doorway!
I got one in the doorway, one in the back.
Cross from left to right. Cross from left to right.